Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing our world. It is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with each other. The advancements in AI technology are not just limited to a few sectors, but are permeating every aspect of our daily lives. From self-driving cars that navigate our roads with precision to virtual assistants that help us manage our schedules and tasks, AI is already having a profound impact on our lives. In our homes, smart devices powered by AI are making our lives more convenient and efficient. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment, providing more accurate and timely care. In recent years, we have seen an explosion of new AI technologies and applications. Researchers and developers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve, leading to innovations that were once thought impossible. This essay will explore some of the latest breakthroughs in AI and their potential impact on society. From advanced robotics that can perform complex tasks to machine learning algorithms that can predict trends and behaviors, the possibilities are endless. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. It is a reality that is shaping our present and will continue to shape our future. Cities are becoming smarter, with AI-driven infrastructure that enhances urban living. It is a reality that is shaping our present and will continue to shape our future. AI is influencing every aspect of our lives, from the way we plan our cities to the way we interact with technology on a daily basis. As we enter this exciting new era of AI, it is important to understand the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. Ethical considerations, data privacy, and the potential for job displacement are just a few of the issues that need to be addressed. By understanding these challenges, we can better prepare for a future where AI plays a central role in our society. One of the most exciting areas of AI research is generative AI. This type of AI can create new content such as images, videos, and text. Recently, there has been a breakthrough in generative AI with the development of multimodal models. These models can generate content in multiple modalities, such as text and images, simultaneously. For example, imagine a generative AI model that can create a storybook with both text and illustrations based on a simple prompt. This is now possible with multimodal generative AI. This breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize industries such as entertainment, advertising, and design. AI is also transforming the healthcare industry, particularly in the field of drug discovery. Traditionally, developing new drugs has been a time-consuming and expensive process. However, AI is now being used to accelerate this process by identifying promising drug candidates and predicting their effectiveness. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, such as genomic information and clinical trial results, to identify patterns and make predictions. This has the potential to lead to the development of new treatments for diseases that are currently incurable. Education is another industry that is being transformed by AI. Personalized learning platforms are using AI to tailor educational content to the individual needs of each student. AI algorithms can track students' progress, identify areas where they need extra support, and recommend personalized learning resources. This personalized approach to education has the potential to improve learning outcomes and make education more accessible to all. Section 5. Impact on industries. A transformation across the board. The breakthroughs in AI are having a significant impact on a wide range of industries. In manufacturing, AI is being used to automate production lines and improve efficiency. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud, manage risk, and provide personalized financial advice. In transportation, AI is powering the development of self-driving cars and optimizing logistics. The impact of AI is being felt across all sectors, leading to increased efficiency, productivity, and innovation. Section 6. Current research trends. Pushing the boundaries of AI. AI research is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs emerging all the time. One current trend is the development of more powerful and efficient AI models. Researchers are also working on developing AI systems that are more transparent and explainable. This is important for building trust in AI and ensuring that it is used responsibly. Another area of research is the development of AI systems that can learn and adapt like humans. This would enable AI to solve more complex problems and operate in more dynamic environments. Section 7. The future of AI opportunities and challenges. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the potential of artificial intelligence is both exhilarating and daunting. The future of AI is full of both opportunities and challenges. It promises to revolutionize industries, enhance productivity, and transform the way we live and work. On the one hand, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. Imagine a world where AI-driven solutions can predict and prevent diseases, optimize energy consumption, and even address food security by improving agricultural practices. For example, AI could be used to develop new energy sources, cure diseases, and combat climate change. By harnessing the power of AI, we can create more sustainable and efficient systems that benefit society as a whole. However, there are also risks associated with the development of AI. The rapid advancement of AI technology brings with it a host of ethical and security concerns that cannot be ignored. Some experts have raised concerns about the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes, such as creating autonomous weapon systems. The idea of machines making life and death decisions is a chilling prospect that requires careful consideration and regulation, such as creating autonomous weapon systems. The potential for AI to be weaponized is a significant threat that could have devastating consequences if not properly managed. It is important to address these concerns and ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. Policymakers, technologists, and ethicists must work together to create frameworks that promote the beneficial use of AI while mitigating its risks. By fostering a collaborative approach, we can navigate the complexities of AI and unlock its full potential for the betterment of humanity. Section 8. Ethical considerations in the age of AI. As AI becomes more powerful and pervasive, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications. The rapid advancement of AI technology brings with it a host of ethical dilemmas that society must address. These considerations are not just theoretical, but have real-world consequences that affect individuals and communities. One key concern is the potential for AI to perpetuate and amplify existing biases. AI systems, which are often seen as objective and neutral, can actually reflect and even exacerbate the biases present in the data they are trained on. This is particularly troubling in areas such as hiring, law enforcement, and lending, where biased decisions can have significant impacts on people's lives. AI systems are trained on data, and if that data reflects human biases, the AI system will likely exhibit those biases as well. This means that historical inequalities can be perpetuated and even worsened by AI, leading to a cycle of discrimination that is hard to break. It is essential to develop methods to identify and mitigate these biases to ensure fair and equitable outcomes. This could lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. For example, an AI system used in hiring might unfairly favor candidates from certain backgrounds over others, or a predictive policing algorithm might disproportionately target minority communities. These outcomes are not just unfair, but can also erode trust in AI systems and the institutions that use them. Another ethical consideration is the impact of AI on employment. As AI technology advances, it has the potential to automate a wide range of tasks, from manufacturing to customer service to data analysis. While this can lead to increased efficiency and productivity, it also raises concerns about job displacement and economic inequality. As AI automates more tasks, it is likely to displace some jobs. This is particularly concerning for workers in industries that are highly susceptible to automation, such as manufacturing and retail. The loss of these jobs can have a devastating impact on individuals and communities, leading to economic hardship and social unrest. It is important to prepare for this transition and ensure that workers have the skills they need to succeed in the future of work. This means investing in education and training programs that can help workers adapt to new technologies and find new opportunities. It also means creating policies that support workers during periods of transition, such as unemployment benefits and job placement services. By taking these steps, we can help ensure that the benefits of AI are shared broadly and that no one is left behind. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence is transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. From healthcare to education to transportation, AI is revolutionizing industries and creating new possibilities. While there are challenges to address, the potential benefits of AI are vast. By embracing the AI revolution responsibly, we can harness its power to create a better future for all. As we continue to develop and deploy AI systems, it is essential to prioritize ethical considerations and ensure that this technology is used for the benefit of humanity.